All right, does this market look familiar? It should. It's bean oil, same chart that we were looking at, the May contract. Now, if you were thinking that this market has possibly gone from being in an uptrend, remember, wasn't an uptrend until over in here. But at this point in time, if you thought the market may have come back up here and started to turn bearish, remember the term or definition of a bearish market is a series of um, lower highs and lower lows. That's a bearish market. So let's say that we thought the market was going to turn bearish here, and we counted this as an A point. So let's just put an A in here, and I'll make it a little larger so that you can see it, and bold it. All right. So let's say that we thought this was the A point. Well, if you have an A point, that's your first lower low, right? So you need a series of lower highs and lower lows. Let's play this forward a little bit and see what happens. The market is starting to go sideways. The market starts to go back up, starts to go down, still going sideways. Still in this trading range, and we'll talk about trading ranges in another video. All right. Now then, you've got a lower low, don't you? Took out the A point. So let's put B in here, and I'll pause for a second while I do that. So now we've got a B point, right? So for it to be in a downtrend, don't we have to have a C point that has lower highs followed again by lower lows? Well, let's see if that happens. Well, it's about an equal low. Started to go back up. Started to go back down, sideways again, started to go back up. So what we're looking for is a lower high than this point in here. So we're looking for this point not to be taken out, for it to remain intact. Well, it's not. It did not remain intact. Matter of fact, we know what happened. That market went into an uptrend. So you can start to see the importance of series here. Not just a break of a point B or a point C. It's got to be a series of higher highs and higher lows. Let's see how much this market did in fact go up. Started going back down here. This would be what I would call a cluster. All right, and we'd have to play the chart forward to see how long that held. But as I was explaining earlier, I would count this area in here when it broke through point C that we had as being in an official uptrend. All right. Hopefully that helped a little bit.